street style legend during winter, because I only want to wear pants like this in the winter. I do not feel like it in the summer. Or maybe my style is just changing, but this is just like comfy and nice, and I'm enjoying it lately. Because I feel like in general, I do not feel the need to dress too girly most of the time. Like sometimes I just usually like it. Like I like dresses, I like some nice blouses and stuff, but not in the winter. No, no, no. This is one of extremely rare moments when I'm willing to put not one but two colors on myself at the same time. Please remember me like this, because next time will probably be in a month. I'm at the parents' house, going to walk this cute little boy, and we're gonna watch World Cup finals, drink some hot wine, and yeah, that's the plan for the rest of the day. Got some last presents, so we're good. Hi. This is like the first time I've fully got ready since I started vlogging. Yes, the next day I am actually going to take out my tooth gem in an hour or so, because I'm actually starting a program. I actually got it delivered today. It's this huge box. I didn't open it yet, but it's basically like a Dr. Smile program with kind of like transparent braces that you put in your teeth, and they make a personalized program for you, and you switch them every 2 weeks, and that's supposed to work. And I'm really not a fan of braces, so I decided I'm gonna do that instead. So we'll see how it goes. I have an appointment in a week to set up the first one, and after that you just switch them up on your own. But yeah, the first one they kind of tell you more about it. So now I still also didn't buy wrapping paper for my presents, so I think I'm going to do that after. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I mean, it's already lunchtime and I've been just working and watching. I've been watching White Lotus, which was really cool. I really love the first season, and the second one is also like really good. I'm not sure if you can hear my dishwasher louder than myself, so yeah, let's just cook something for lunch, and I'll go to the dental clinic and then do some more shopping. Yeah. The moment I realized that you can just microwave a potato instead of spending 40 minutes waiting for it to get ready in the oven, it changed my life. Absolutely. Now I can just have a potato in 7 minutes. I am going to eat this fish, which looks really sad, but it's amazing. It's like a very homely meal for me, like potatoes with fish. I don't know. It's just a weird thing. I'm not sure. It's very typical to eat that in my family in my hometown. So yeah, just waiting for my potatoes and ready to go. It's really pretty and sunny today, but it's like minus 13, which is a problem. I never turn all this light on, but I feel like if I don't, you just don't see me. So I went to shopping mall again. I bought those pants. They're from H&M. They were on sale already and I had a coupon, so I got them for like €5, which seems illegal, but I just wanted some like cozy pants for home because I always I got this really cool black sweat set from Naked. I think you saw it in my previous vlog. And I've been wearing it like non-stop, and I feel like if I'm gonna keep wearing it at home, it's just gonna get like very worn out very fast. So I decided to not wear it at home anymore. So yeah, I got another roll of paper, wrapping paper. So yeah, basically I think I told you that I want to be sustainable this year and use only already the wrapping things that I have. The paper is the exception because I didn't really I couldn't calculate if it's enough or not, and either way there's gonna be more things to celebrate and wrap gifts for, so I'm going to use this one anyway. So yeah, I am going to wrap some gifts now. I want to use my as you can see, I have this Christmas composition that I made, and the tree pieces are already super dry and kind of falling apart, so I don't think I want to keep it for longer. So I'm just gonna take it apart and put little pieces of the tree as decoration together with these dried oranges me and my mom made. So it's just gonna be super sustainable, and it's something people can use as decoration, just put on their Christmas tree or something in the end, or just if they throw it away, it's something that's compostable and good for the environment. So I don't want to put any plastic on there this year, more than there already is in the packaging. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now and watch something probably. When we were in opportunities out in LA. This only took 3 hours, but look how cute they are. This is really cute. I really love how they turned out, and yeah, it's still not all of them, I guess. I still have presents for 2 friends that I need to buy, but I really like this and the idea of how not wasteful it was, and the cute little accents on some of them. So yeah, super cute. And I'm sorry, I cannot handle so much light anymore. I just ordered some groceries. We have this amazing app, a new delivery app, that literally takes 15 minutes to deliver, and it's all day long, which is crazy. And I was just craving hot chocolate, and I saw this just amazing recipe on TikTok of hot chocolate that looked exactly like the one they sell in Paris, and I was like, need that, so I ordered different chocolates and like milk. What is this called? Like condensed milk? No, condensed milk is the other thing. Well, anyway, I'm gonna put the recipe on the screen when I make it.